Hello and welcome to your February 2024 market update here. I'll just stick to some of the highlights here, what's kind of going on. This particular slide here shows basically a number of homes under contract or so. That line right there, it's hard to see right now, but it's lower than a lot of the other past years of starting points. So our buyer demand basically is a little less than what it was in the past few years, as far as that goes. Also, we are experiencing sellers to contribute towards buyers' closing costs. We're still hovering right around the 47% or so. So that's still strong. Inventory is about 15,500 homes or so in the market. We expect that to kind of start to increase as well as buyer demand going forward into Q2, Q3. We'll have our peak buying season then. The only other thing to point out is that new home builders are building, but they're not building or getting new permits and everything at a rate where they really should be. They're still kind of managing it at a very cautious type of pace. So that's kind of what's kind of going on there. There are some great rates out there. And we're still under we're just under 7% or so, but we're nothing major changing there. The rates are the rates, as far as the price goes. So sellers know this too. So they're contributing towards buyers' closing costs. Help buy down those rates or to keep the price high. We are still seeing prices increase. There's no decreasing the prices here. It's still kind of remaining flat or increasing. Now, it doesn't mean that every house that's on the market is like, oh, well, we have to buy it at that price. No, that's an offer price. Sometimes it'll hedge the market kind of thing where it'll be like, we expect this house to sell at this price. It's not now. It won't sell now like that. But they maybe catch somebody sleeping and say, okay, let's go ahead and see if we can put an offer at asking. However, not all homes are like that. That's more of a positional type of strategy that the sellers agents use. But that's kind of it. I want to again keep this kind of short here. If you are a buyer, the story is get in now, get qualified, find out what's going on in the market. Look at the inventory because it is going to go ahead and increase. But there is this point now where inventory have a lot of options out there. And rates are fairly low relative, and then you have not as much buyer demand. So take advantage of that. That's your strength now. So is to act now. You want to do this like 4 or 5 months from now? You can. I'm not saying you can't, but expect the competition to be a little bit more fierce and for this year because we are getting back into this seasonality of volume of activity. When it happens, when it doesn't happen, we're following that pattern. So no new surprises there. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.